Hello friends, this is 12 volt battery and here is a transformer which is 12012. Here it is a step up transformer which convert 12 volt into 230 volts. Now if it is a DC source and if you are connecting just a single touch, then the sparking takes place and if you are connecting here the spark takes place and the bulb lights up. But if for continuous lighting up, we have to do. Uh, but for continuous light up, we have to do many.
Many cycles. We have to repeat many cycles.
We have to repeat many cycles. If we are performing one cycle, then its graph will be like that. We know that DC graph is like a straight line.
Parallel to it.
If we are connecting it to the battery, the negative terminal, then the graph would be like this. So if for one cycle it is this, and if we have to run light up the bulb, we have to repeat such a one cycle, repeat one cycle.
So useless.
So if we have to light up the bulb, we have to do repeat many cycles like this. So we
Once.
So to glow this bulb, we have to do continuous cycles. We have to form continuous cycle for that, and if we have to touch it again and again, so it is a very time-consuming and not appropriate process. So we have an alternative for this process. This is a motor. Now we will make the connections.
कनेक्शन का
पॉज कर रखा है। अच्छा ये कौन टच करेगा? ये भी मैं टच
There are three terminals of this transformer. One in neutral, and these are 12, 0 and 12 volt terminals. This is a neutral. This will be like this only. We connect the one terminal of this transformer to the positive end of the battery, and there are two terminals of this motor also. The positive terminal will be connected to the positive of the battery, and the negative terminal will be connected to the negative terminal of the battery, and the another terminal of the transformer is kept free, so that we will touch here, and the sparks will be spark will generate and the bulb will glow. Now here in the wheel we have connected here in the wheel we have attached so many tiny several metal sheets which are very thin. So when it will be rotating with the help of motor, and if we are putting one terminal over here, there will be continuous sparking with due to this due to these tiny metals. Now we perform this experiment. So we have attached one terminal here, and the one terminal, positive terminal of the motor is connected to the positive terminal of the battery. So we have connected one terminal over here, and the positive terminal of the battery of the motor we will connect here. So this wheel started rotating, and if we are putting this another terminal of the transformer to this wheel, the sparking generates and the bulb will glow continuously. So now we can say this type of graph will be obtained. This is a pursuing DC graph. So we will get we are getting continuous repeat cycle which we were obtaining initially as a one cycle. So this is an alternative method for glowing this bulb.